Coyote Classics. We're going to test drive about 6 cars, but first we're going to start with this 1979 Camaro Z28.
This is a true survivor, Dalton. 51,954 actual miles. Rust-free car underneath, man.
Yes.
Really good car.
It is underneath, super impressive. So is the trunk. Just a
man.
really solid, low mileage survivor.
We got a little, looks like we have a little car club that stopped in today to visit us here at Coyote Classics. Don't want to get a lot of spectators in the way today, Dalton.
No getting her sideways on the street this morning. A lot of nice cars they have.
Yeah, they do. Well, let's just cruise it down there, shall we? This thing wants to get her sideways. Oh,
Yeah,
shoot!
It's pretty quick,
Holy.
isn't it?
Yeah, numbers matching 350.
It's kind of chilly out today. Feels like
It is.
feels like
It
football.
is. You know, obviously we got to get a little warmed up. Brakes are perfect. Mark did a great job on this one. This one sat for like 5 years in the back of this guy's collection. It still had cobwebs all over the back. We went through the brakes and stuff. The brakes are perfect. No pull left or right. The gas gauge works. The factory tach does not. Temp gauge works. Amp gauge works. Gas gauge works. Speedometer works. Holy smokes.
Radio works.
Wipers are good. Radio works. Got an equalizer here.
That's pretty cool.
Hey, look at the dash. I mean, the dash is like pristine.
I know,
isn't it?
Yeah, the gauges, dash, steering wheel.
Besides a new headliner that they put in, or put some tacks in the whole, you know, should use maybe a new headliner. The rest of the interior is mint.
It is, and it's neat when we get back and go around the outside. It appears to us like original paint, still has original stickers on it. Just a really clean survivor car.
It completely breaks. Look at this thing going down the road, Dalton, and it sat for 5 freaking years.
Yeah, it's neat.
We'll get on it again when we come back and just see if, I'm sure it's just that little carburetor is just not warmed up yet. Because those 4 barrels are kicking in nice now. That's 75 mile an hour down the road. Super quiet. It's got the remote mirror. Horn works. Here's another thing I want to talk about a little bit. Remember these shifters? These shift plates always get kind of chipped up.
Yeah, they do.
I mean, this is original and just in excellent shape.
Yeah, it's a clean car. Take down. Yep.
Shifts into third. Here's our brakes and high speed stop. This is a really good one. I mean, you can't beat an original low mileage car. I'm going to try to go ahead and go through the gears once. And if it's still acting up just a little bit, D will go through that carburetor. But
Nice shift. It's got good power.
tons of power. Look at that. One more time. I like it. I just want to make sure and show our viewers here if that carburetor needs done. Again, the brakes are mint. Steering is awesome. Does not need an alignment.
And if it doesn't carburetor work, we will.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
I just want to see what happens here. Maybe a little bit on the accelerator pump, but it's a lot better now. Just warming it up,
Oh man,
isn't it?
it goes down the road awesome.
Wow, this is a good car.
Nice.
How many cars can you get out of storage and do 85 mile an hour like that and drive like this?
Yeah, not too many. Nice car. This is a neat 1979 Z28 Camaro. 51,000 original miles. Very original car.
This car is so clean. I love the interior on it.
Yeah, I like the car as a whole. It's just really neat. Still has, it's hard to tell if it's original paint or it was painted once a long time ago, but same thing with the decals. They look original.
The decals are. I have new decals for it, just so you know. So, numbers matching 350. They changed out the headers on it, but other than that, I mean, even just keep all this stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We did put a new Napa Legend battery on it, power steering, power disc brakes.
Before you close the hood too,
Yeah.
come look at the trim tag, and this is original paint, and the trim tag's perfect, never been rusty, never nothing. Tells you a lot about it.
Yeah, You guys gotta go in and check the trunk floor out. We'll show you in the video a little bit, but go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you look at the trunk pictures and the undercarriage pictures, because that's what's important on a Camaro and a Trans Am. You know what I mean? On these generations, you gotta have a solid body. And this one's about as solid as they come. And how about finding one with 51,000 miles on it?
Yeah, it's neat.
It's a really good car. We did not buff it. This is exactly how it came in. We washed it, detailed it, but we did not get a chance to buff it. Here's the original decal. I wanted to leave this on just to kind of show you. See the paint on there? Yeah. This will probably tell us, Dalt.
Yeah, it to me looks like original paint. You can just kind of tell that it's not.
Look right here. We know that's original decal, and I just scratched some of that off, and there is no line there. I mean, that's the original stuff.
Yeah, I would say it's original paint.
Yep, I would too, after seeing that. But we do have the new decal in the trunk. I'll show you in a little bit. But yeah, both of the gaps are good here. Again, the hood fits nice in the back. Great gap, top to bottom here. It does have some little rock chips, and again, another original decal. Yeah, there would be a paint line. So original decals here in great shape. Underneath that, the original paint. Couple little spots here, and this is surface rust, you guys. So no rust through, nothing like that. No bubbles right here either, super solid. Over top of the roof, there's a little haze. A lot of that might come out with buffing. If you look in the sun, this blue metallic is a beautiful color. Rear shelf, still original. Someone put some 6x9s in there. Top of the back seats, always good to check out. That's in great shape as well.
I pulled that back so you could see what you were talking with the trunk.
And you just gotta, isn't that crazy, D?
Yeah, it's just super clean, not even really surface rust.
No, none, hardly at all. Yeah, it's super clean. It's got the original spare and everything in here. Yeah, both sides are mint, factory seam seal and everything.
Here's the decals you're talking.
Yeah, is that a full decal kit, I'm guessing? Yep, 79 blue. So that comes with the car if you ever want to put that on.
I like it just the way it is, though. The decals would clean up, but I like the original decals just because it adds to that like patina, It's just like it.
That's why I didn't want to change it, but the next guy might, whatever he wants to do.
It's cool. You'd win best survivor trophies with this thing.
That's definitely a survivor, man. Wait till we get to the interior here in a minute. If you look up and down the sides, both sides are super straight. Tires all seem good. We just got done driving this, and how impressive going down the highway, huh? Steers nice and straight, brakes excellent. Here's another thing, D. Roof rail rubbers are still nice and pliable here. Corner of the doors. Door jams. Door panel is in excellent shape. You can see on that little chrome, that's 50 years old, so it's got a couple little things in that chrome strip there. The dash pad, steering wheel, everything is gorgeous. Somebody went ahead and put an aftermarket radio in there, but the plastic on the dash is perfect. Kick panels are good. Original seats are nice. It's got the GM seat belts. Headliner needs to be replaced. Somebody tacked it up back in the 80s probably. But other than that headliner, the rest of the interior is excellent. This one seals up good too as far as going up and down the road. Behind the wheel's great. Over the wheel well has a few little paint chips. And you can see where those chips are. That's bare metal right there.
Yeah.
Behind the door, that lines up really good. We got one little paint chip there. And that dog leg area, which always rust out, is super clean. Little scratch right here. Again, a couple little rock chips that have started to bare metal, so you got a little surface rust. All solid, I don't even see any blisters, just some chips. These rubbers are still in great shape. They almost look like they've been replaced, but if we look in the corners, they haven't. But look how soft they still are. Same thing here. On the other side, I thought it was almost too good to be true and it was replaced, but you can tell this one's cut a little bit. But man, just nice and pliable. Definitely original miles, no doubt, in my mind anyway.
This all, like when you know, it's for sure original paint, the door jambs and exterior too. That's never been taken off or painted over or nothing like that. And the door jamb paint and the exterior paint match perfectly, so it tells you it's...
Yeah, I think it is.
Like when you look at the...
51,957. Great interior, nice carpet still, nice and plush. Really cool car, guys.
Cool car. This is one for the purist. You know, just a really neat 79 Camaro Z28. Check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date on all our current inventory. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.